From the towering predators of the African savanna to the minuscule yet deadly inhabitants of tropical rainforests, the animal kingdom boasts a diverse array of creatures that pose potential threats to humans. Whether through physical prowess, venomous weaponry, or cunning predatory instincts, these animals command respect and caution from those who share their habitats. Number 15. Amblypygi. Amblypygi are a nocturnal group of arachnids, commonly called whip spiders or tailless whip scorpions. The name amblypygid means blunt tail, a reference to a lack of the flagellum that is otherwise seen in whip scorpions. Amblypygids have dorsoventrally flattened bodies, 2 pairs of book lungs, and long thin legs where only the rear 3 pairs of legs are ambulatory. The anterior first pair of legs are very thin, highly segmented and flexible, like a whip, and are covered in many different sensory receptors. Thus, these legs are called antenniform legs, and mainly function similarly to the antennae of insects. Amblypygids also have spiny, raptorial pedipalps that are used for defense and to capture prey. Amblypygids possess no silk glands or venomous fangs and are harmless to humans. Amblypygids can live around 5 to 10 years. Number 14. Goliath bird-eater. The Goliath bird-eater, Theraphosa blondi, is one of the largest spiders in the world, both by leg span and body size. Adult Goliath bird-eaters can have a leg span of up to 30 centimeters, 12 inches, and weigh over 170 grams. They have a hairy body and legs, which can vary in color from dark brown to black. Their large size and impressive appearance make them a popular choice among exotic pet enthusiasts, although keeping them as pets requires specific care and expertise. Despite their intimidating size, Goliath bird-eaters are generally docile creatures and will typically only bite if provoked or threatened. Their bites are not usually considered dangerous to humans, though they can be painful due to their large fangs. Despite its name, it rarely preys on birds and is more commonly a ground-dwelling predator, feeding on insects, small mammals, and other invertebrates. In the wild, Goliath bird-eaters can live for up to 15 to 25 years, while in captivity, they may live even longer with proper care. They inhabit the forest floor of tropical rainforests, where they create burrows to hide during the day and hunt for prey at night. Number 13. Giant African land snail. Giant African land snails can grow to be quite large, with adults typically reaching lengths of 20 centimeters, 8 inches, or more. They have a spiral shell that can vary in color from brown to tan, with darker bands or stripes. Their bodies are soft and slimy, typically a light gray or brown color. Giant African land snails are herbivores and feed on a wide range of plant material, including leaves, fruits, vegetables, and flowers. They are known to be voracious eaters and can cause significant damage to crops and gardens if populations become unchecked. While they are sometimes consumed as a delicacy in certain cultures, giant African land snails can also pose health risks to humans. They are known to carry parasites and bacteria that can cause diseases such as rat lungworm infection and salmonellosis. As a result, many countries have restrictions on their importation and ownership. Number 12. Goliath tigerfish. Goliath tigerfish are known for their impressive size and fearsome appearance. They can grow up to lengths of around 1.5 meters, 5 feet, and weigh over 50 kilograms. They have elongated bodies, powerful jaws filled with sharp teeth, and distinctive silver scales. Goliath tigerfish are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain in their aquatic ecosystems. They primarily feed on other fish but have been known to consume a wide variety of prey, including smaller fish, crustaceans, and even birds and mammals that venture too close to the water's surface. They are known for their aggressive hunting behavior and lightning-fast strikes. While not currently listed as endangered, Goliath tigerfish face threats from habitat destruction, overfishing, and pollution in their native range. Their large size and impressive fighting ability also make them a popular target for recreational anglers, which can put additional pressure on local populations. Number 11. Tiger. Tigers are easily recognizable by their striking orange fur with black stripes, which provide camouflage in their natural habitat. They have white fur on their underbellies, and their ears are typically black with a white spot in the center. Tigers have muscular bodies and powerful limbs, enabling them to be excellent hunters. Tigers are carnivores and primarily prey on large ungulates such as deer, wild boar, and buffalo. They are solitary hunters and rely on stealth and ambush to catch their prey. Tigers are also known to eat smaller animals like monkeys, birds, and fish when larger prey is scarce. Tigers are typically solitary animals, with males and females coming together only for mating purposes. They are territorial and will mark their territories with scent markings and vocalizations to deter other tigers. Number 10. Cone snail. Cone snails are found in tropical and subtropical oceans worldwide, typically inhabiting coral reefs, rocky shores, and sandy seabeds. They are especially diverse in the Indo-Pacific region. Cone snails are carnivorous predators that feed primarily on other mollusks, worms, and small fish. They use a specialized feeding structure called a proboscis to inject venom into their prey. This venom contains a potent mix of toxins that immobilize and kill the prey almost instantly. The venom of cone snails is highly potent and can be dangerous to humans. It contains a complex cocktail of neurotoxins, each targeting specific receptors in the nervous system of the prey. Some cone snail venoms have even been studied for their potential medical applications, particularly in pain management and neuroscience research. Number 9. Japanese giant hornet. Japanese giant hornets are among the largest hornets, with queens reaching lengths of up to 5 centimeters, 2 inches, and workers typically ranging from 3.5 to 4.5 centimeters, 1.4 to 1.8 inches, in length. They have a distinctive orange head and dark brown or black thorax and abdomen. Their large size and loud buzzing sound make them easily recognizable. These hornets are native to various regions of Asia, including Japan, Korea, China, Taiwan, and parts of Russia. They typically inhabit forested areas, but they can also be found in rural and urban environments. They build nests in trees, underground, or in human-made structures such as buildings or barns. Japanese giant hornets are social insects that live in colonies consisting of a queen, workers, and males. They are highly aggressive when defending their nests and can deliver painful stings, which contain potent venom. Their sting can be particularly dangerous to humans, as it can cause severe pain, tissue damage, and in rare cases, allergic reactions or even death. These hornets are carnivorous and primarily feed on other insects. Number 8. Polar bears. Polar bears are uniquely adapted to life in the Arctic and are found throughout the Arctic Circle in countries such as Canada, Alaska, USA, Greenland, Norway, and Russia. They primarily inhabit sea ice, where they hunt for seals, their primary prey. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores, with adult males typically weighing between 350 to 700 kilograms and measuring 2.4 to 3 meters, 8 to 10 feet, in length. Females are generally smaller, weighing between 150 to 295 kilograms, 330 to 650 pounds. They rely on sea ice as a platform for hunting seals, using their keen sense of smell to detect breathing holes in the ice and waiting patiently for seals to surface. They are also opportunistic feeders and will scavenge on carcasses, as well as hunt other marine mammals, fish, and occasionally birds or eggs. Number 7. Assassin caterpillar. Assassin caterpillars are equipped with venomous spines, or hairs that contain toxins. When threatened or touched, these caterpillars can release their venom, causing painful stings or skin irritation in humans and other animals. Assassin caterpillars vary in appearance depending on the species, but are often hairy or spiny, with colors ranging from green to brown or black. Their camouflage can make them difficult to spot among leaves and vegetation. Assassin caterpillars are typically found in forested areas, where they feed on leaves and vegetation. They may be found on trees, shrubs, or even on the ground. The venom of assassin caterpillars can cause a range of symptoms in humans, including localized pain, swelling, itching, and in some cases, more severe reactions such as allergic reactions, nausea, and vomiting. In extreme cases, contact with certain species of assassin caterpillars can lead to systemic effects, including coagulopathy and even death. Number 6. Amazonian giant centipede. Amazonian giant centipedes can grow up to lengths of around 30 centimeters, 12 inches, or more, making them one of the largest centipede species. They have long, segmented bodies with numerous pairs of legs, typically ranging from 21 to 23 pairs. Their bodies are usually brown or reddish-brown in color, and they have large, powerful jaws used for hunting prey. These centipedes are native to the Amazon rainforest and other tropical regions of South America. They are commonly found in humid and forested areas where they inhabit leaf litter, rotting logs, and other debris on the forest floor. They are also known to burrow into soil or hide in crevices to escape predators and regulate their body temperature. Amazonian giant centipedes are carnivorous predators, feeding on a variety of prey including insects, spiders, small reptiles, amphibians, and even small mammals. They are agile hunters, using their sharp claws and venomous fangs to capture and subdue their prey. Number 5. Scorpions. Scorpions have a characteristic shape, with a pair of pincers, pedipalps, at the front and a segmented tail that curves over their back, ending in a stinger. They typically have 8 legs and come in various sizes, ranging from a few centimeters to over 20 centimeters in length. Scorpions vary in color depending on the species, with shades of brown, black, or yellow being common. Scorpions are carnivorous predators, feeding primarily on insects and other arthropods. They use their pincers to grab and crush their prey before delivering a venomous sting with their tail. Some larger scorpion species may also prey on small vertebrates such as lizards, rodents, or even other scorpions. Scorpions possess venom glands located in their tails, which they use to subdue prey and defend themselves from predators. The potency of scorpion venom varies depending on the species, with some species having venom that is relatively harmless to humans, while others have venom that can be potentially life-threatening. Number 4.
Portuguese man-o-war.
Portuguese man-o'-wars have a distinctive appearance, with a gas-filled bladder or float that sits above the water, resembling a translucent blue or purple balloon. Below the float are long tentacles that can extend up to 30 feet or more in length. These tentacles contain stinging cells called nematocysts, which the organism uses to capture prey and defend itself. The tentacles of the Portuguese man-o'-war contain powerful venom that is used to immobilize and capture prey, primarily small fish and plankton. While the sting of a Portuguese man-o'-war is rarely fatal to humans, it can be extremely painful and cause a variety of symptoms, including severe skin irritation, welts, and in some cases, more serious allergic reactions. The Portuguese man-o'-war is not a single organism, but rather a colony of specialized zooids that work together for survival. These zooids include the float, which provides buoyancy, the tentacles, which capture prey, and other specialized structures for reproduction and digestion. Number 3. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons can grow to impressive sizes, with adult males typically reaching lengths of 2 to 3 meters and weighing up to 70 kilograms. Females are generally smaller, averaging around 2 meters, 6.6 feet, in length and weighing less than males. Komodo dragons have long bodies, powerful legs, and muscular tails. They are covered in tough, armored scales, which provide protection from injury and aid in thermoregulation. Their skin coloration can vary, ranging from gray to brown or greenish yellow. Komodo dragons are carnivorous predators and are known to hunt a variety of prey, including birds, mammals, and reptiles. They are particularly adept at scavenging and will feed on carrion when available. Their diet includes deer, wild boar, water buffalo, and even smaller Komodo dragons. Komodo dragons possess a combination of venomous saliva and a diverse array of bacteria in their mouths, which they use to subdue and kill prey. The venom contains toxins that disrupt blood clotting and induce shock, while the bacteria introduce infections that weaken and eventually kill the prey over time. Number 2. Venomous puss caterpillars. The puss caterpillar has a unique appearance, resembling a small, furry, and oddly shaped tuft of hair. It is covered in long, dense, and soft hairs that give it a resemblance to a pile of cotton or fur. Its coloration can vary but is typically a mixture of brown, gray, and cream, with subtle markings. The seemingly harmless-looking hairs of the puss caterpillar conceal venomous spines underneath. These spines are connected to venom glands and contain toxins that can cause intense pain, swelling, and other symptoms when they come into contact with skin. The venom is potent enough to cause severe reactions in some individuals, including nausea, headache, and even systemic effects in rare cases. Puss caterpillars are typically found in trees, shrubs, and other vegetation, where they feed on leaves. They are particularly common in oak, elm, citrus, and rose bushes, among other plants. While they are more prevalent in southern regions, they can occasionally be found further north during warmer months. Like other caterpillars, puss caterpillars undergo complete metamorphosis, with egg, larval, pupal, and adult stages. Female adult moths lay eggs on the underside of leaves, which hatch into caterpillars. Number 1. Blue-ringed octopus. Blue-ringed octopuses are relatively small, with adults typically measuring about 12 to 20 centimeters in length, although some species may be smaller. They have a distinctive appearance, with tan or yellowish skin covered in iridescent blue rings or spots when they are agitated or threatened. When they are relaxed or camouflaged, these blue rings may be concealed, making the octopus appear duller in color. Despite their small size, blue-ringed octopuses are among the most venomous marine animals in the world. They possess venom glands capable of producing a potent neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin, which is also found in some pufferfish species. This toxin blocks sodium channels in nerve cells, leading to paralysis and respiratory failure in prey and potential predators, including humans. Blue-ringed octopuses are typically shy and elusive creatures, preferring to avoid confrontation whenever possible. When threatened, they may display their characteristic blue rings as a warning signal to potential predators. If the threat persists, they may become more aggressive and may bite as a last resort. Blue-ringed octopuses are carnivorous predators, feeding primarily on small crustaceans, mollusks, and fish.